Ladies and gentlemen, we now move on to a kickboxing contest that will consist of 3 1.5-minute rounds. So let's welcome first, fighting out of the red corner, Little Des, JOYNES!
You and me won't change the way we roll. We live it like there's nowhere else to go, though. Now everything moves slow motion. Everything feels so real. You and me won't change the way we roll. It's probably why we never gonna go home. Now everything moves slow motion. All comes crystal clear.
Hey, hey, have a smoke, have a drink. One love to our dearly departed. Have a joke, and it's sick. We're the last ones at the party. Then it drops, and it's big. Hold tight, man, like Darksea. We're like, what the fuck have we started? This life ain't for the faint-hearted. We travel to the uncharted, then sweep it under our carpet. Like, what the fuck have we started?
You and me won't change the way we roll. It's probably why we never gonna go home. Now everything moves slow motion. Now everything moves slow motion. Now everything moves slow motion.
And his opponent in the red corner, Flynn MARSDEN!
Skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat of the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him, but fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up. Let's go.
Who the hell is he anyway? He never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still even him starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge him cause he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, now the picture connects, never asking for someone's help or to get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote, his will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds, the skill of an artist. This is 20%.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 9th scheduled contest of today's event, brought to you by Jackhammer Promotions. This is a kickboxing contest that will consist of 3 1.5-minute rounds. So let's welcome one more time in the blue corner, fighting out of Mama, Little Des, JOYNES! And his opponent in the red corner, fighting out of UFA, Flynn MARSDEN!
times, you know. What else can we do when we're feeling low? So take a deep breath. Shouldn't be drowning on our own. And if you feel you're sinking, I will jump right over into cold, cold water for you. And although time may take us into different places, I will still be patient with you. And I won't be alone. And I won't be alone. And I won't be alone.
After 3 rounds, the judges have reached a unanimous decision. To the winner, in the blue corner, Little Des JOYNES. And a round of applause to his opponent, MARSDEN.